IVM.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, the language used on the podcast may not be fit for consumption. We warn you, tread carefully. But listen yaar, don't be so conservative. Oh, I can't believe it. We're live again. I thought they'd shut us down along with WhatsApp and social networks. I can't remember the names. Twitter, and the other one. The point being, we're still here and we're fighting not this government but the American government. I'm not clear about who's right or wrong also, but I want to say the right thing so that we can survive.
From uncensored and unfiltered chats with the who's who of the entertainment industry, I, Siddharth Kannan, bring you a very heartcake chat show called Candid Kannan. Tune in every Friday on the IVM podcast app or wherever you get your podcasts.
In the meantime, we have one of India's most famous comedians who's going to be a politician and actress soon as well. And she's joining us on the show. Her name is Saloni Gaur. And instead of ranting, I'm going to just check with her whether my joke collection is good enough. Saloni, can you come on?
Hi, Cyrus. And guys, I'm not going to be a politician. Definitely not.
No, why? Now, see, I've lost your biodata. See, this is what happens because of this technology here. Give me 15 to 20 minutes to find it. In the meantime, can you do 5 to 100 impressions and go? La 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 la
Okay.
la la. No pressure. I'm
Okay,
just kidding.
I can,
Saloni, I'm
I
kidding.
can
I'm
do
kidding.
Kangna's impression.
You wanted to? No. I mean, if you want to, yeah. But I wanted to first tell you a joke.
Okay.
So that this is like a formal joke. Okay, that my daughter told me, and I want to just check because you're young and hip and you understand comedy better in the world that we live in now than I do. So just test the joke, okay? One Indian doctor and one African doctor, they are chatting and they are arguing. Indian doctor is saying कि नहीं आवाज है womba, and African doctor is saying नहीं आवाज था wombo. They're going on fighting womba, wombo, womba, womba, and then one English guy comes in, doctor, and he says. Either he says in English, guys, please understand, you don't understand English language. There's no womba and wombo and all this. There is womb. The word you're looking for is womb. It's part of a woman's anatomy. It's called womb. And he walks off. So the Indian and the African doctor, they start laughing at each other and they say, hey, English people are really stupid. They don't understand the sound of a hippopotamus farting in the water. That's the joke. I'm so sorry. I'll resign.
Quite long for that punchline.
Very long for the punchline, but my daughter tells me these jokes every day. So the ones that I find really ridiculous, I try to remember them and come back.
It's totally fine. I mean, what my parents send me on WhatsApp, they are totally disgusting.
We've already
You should not even listen to them.
One minute. I'm not understanding. Are you saying that me and your parents are outdated, or are you saying that we are discussing as in vulgar?
No. Your daughter sends you these jokes. My parents send me.
Yeah.
Completely different
okay,
thing.
that way. Okay, fair enough. And you have to pretend you like them whether you like it or not, because family is family. Huh?
No, they don't
Okay.
even care. Even if I don't reply to my mother, she doesn't care. She just sends. It's her job to send me, and then she goes off. अभी मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता तुम reply करो मत करो.
थोड़ा pressure दिलवाना है. She wants you to feel the pain of other people's jokes. Okay, listen, let's start now quickly about you. Otherwise, we'll just go on doing my bad jokes. Now, I have found it and I have lost it again, but I have found it now. Yes, I've got your entire biodata here in front of me. But there's so many things that you have done. Where do we start? Firstly, Saloni, your surname is Gaur. My classmate and very good friend is Smita Gaur. Of course, we will not discuss age difference. Any relation?
No relation.
Check कर लो एक बार, Google कर लो. Look at the family tree. There must be a Smita Gaur. May not be the same one.
कोई तो निकल ही आएगा फिर हाँ ऐसे तो if we check.
Yeah, that's how we Indians connect. Yeah, we have to have somebody. 6 degrees of separation.
Yeah, that
Okay,
pledge in school was right. All Indians are our brothers and sisters.
Sisters for sure, because I've tried to date women for 40 years and they all say are very nice and they don't come out. So sisters to ho gaya, brothers I don't know. After watching Baba Ramdev's latest attack on doctors, I'm worried about who should be the brothers and who shouldn't be. We will discuss all these political issues that will end your career, so be careful of what you say. Don't worry, government has
I'll end it
absolved us.
myself someday.
Saloni,
I probably believe
no,
that.
on your own you'll get into trouble, but with us you're fine. Government has absolved us. They don't pay attention also. They say they're idiots. We are fine.
Okay.
They attack people like Kunal, what's his name? Kamra.
Yeah,
So we are safe.
I am not that famous that they attack me.
No, that famous also, more importantly, that edgy, because he's more interested in bringing down the government.
Yeah.
I just want the government to give me parking in South Bombay. I'm not looking for more than that. For me, it's ek chota step, ek kadam, ek small move. That's it. But I want to talk about you, and again, I'm warning you, I talk too much, so you have to keep talking yourself, because this
Okay.
show's about you.
Okay,
And
okay.
and not just about you, the comedian, which everyone can see the shows and the bits and which have made you famous, but about you, the person, like how you told us mom sends WhatsApps and all that. This is very interesting. I love to hear all that, because I want India to feel the pain of every family. That you have to suffer your parents' ka WhatsApps, their interesting advice, which now comes in, like you said, in the electronic form, and you don't have any feedback, but you have to digest it and enjoy it. So let's go back to young Saloni. Okay, this is stupid because you are still young. Younger Saloni. Huh?
Okay.
शुरुआत कब कैसा and why comedy? Take us to the beginning, and then we'll look at some of the great moments in your career already, which have made you a millionaire, and you own 45 acres of land in Noida, and your neighbors are Akhilesh Yadav and Mayawati ji, but not Yogi ji. So I will not get into that situation,
No,
because that's
probably
divisive politics.
living beside Yogi ji, having Yogi ji as a neighbor, that would be great. I'll have so much security.
That's true. That's true. Nothing can happen. Actually, that makes a lot of sense. That's why I always believe you want to rob something, na, police stations के सामने से चोरी करो. Because whatever दुकान वुकान is there, why will they come to investigate?
You don't check under your own pillow.
Huh?
Exactly.
Double park outside the police station. You think he's going to pull out the car and then take your car 5 feet away? I mean, what's the point of that, yaar? Your thinking is superb, Saloni.
Exactly that.
Superb. Let's now go back to your career.
Okay.
So, how did it all start? I'd love to know the beginning of Saloni Gaur.
So I was in college in 2017, and I got my first phone in that year only. So I had no clue about these videos and Instagram, what happens on Instagram, on Facebook. I was nowhere on social media.
You were like the government. You had no idea about all this thing that's going on, and then suddenly, huh?
No. दुनिया में क्या चल रहा था, that I knew. But how all these apps work, that I didn't know. I mean, मैं ना Instagram पर थी. I used to think that Instagram is just only for photos.
But बाकी सहेली लोग और दोस्त लोग side में, I mean, they must have been having, somebody must be having access to apps and internet.
But I am from a middle class family. My mother never sent me on a sleepover or to my friend's house. ऐसे. Yeah, she never did. So I never. I mean, my brother had a phone, but he used to live in Delhi, and I was in UP with my parents. So.
तो ये रीजनलिज्म एंड सेक्सिज्म दोनों है. अगर आप यूपी में है तो आपको कुछ नहीं मिल सकते हैं. अगर आप दिल्ली पहुंच गए तो you can take anything you want.
There was no sexism. मेरी family में तो at least there was no sexism. My brother got his first phone when he moved to Delhi for his studies, for his college, and I got my first phone when I moved to Delhi. So basically, if we hadn't gone to college, हमारे parents हमें phone भी नहीं दिलाते. It was just because कि ठीक है अब तुम बाहर जा रहे हो, so we need a way to communicate. So I had to like literally. Say these things to my mom. Yeah, I said to her कि ठीक है. She gave me my phone when I was in Delhi Metro. हम लोग hostel जा रहे थे. There she handed me my phone.
Wow.
उससे पहले उन्होंने मुझे दिया ही नहीं था. And I was like ठीक है. Don't give me अब ठीक है. आप ही बात नहीं कर पाओगी. हॉस्टल में तो कोई ऐसे फोन भी नहीं होता. हॉस्टल में फोन करोगी मैं आऊंगी भी नहीं फोन पर. So I had to blackmail her. Then she gave me that phone. So yeah.
तब तक ये कॉमेडी की शौक थी या नहीं? Were you interested in all this?
I was always interested in comedy. I used to watch all these TV shows जो Laughter Challenge वगैरह आते थे. I was really intrigued by all of it. But मेरे school में भी I don't think there used to be a stand-up competition. नहीं, वहाँ पे तो सिर्फ debate और extempore वही सब होता था. All that पढ़ा लिखा stuff.
The teacher entrance मारते हैं ना, I think everybody has to stand up. That's the only thing we had in school, right?
Yeah,
Good morning,
that.
teacher. Sorry, it's as bad as the hippopotamus.
वो भी हमारे टाइम पे वो ऐसा हो गया था कि teachers wanted to be like, they wanted to play it cool, कि हम थोड़े cool हैं, बच्चों के साथ दोस्ती हो जाए, तो they were like कि don't do that, please don't stand up for us, बैठे रहा करो. वो थोड़े cool बनना चाहते थे कि हाँ ठीक है हम तुम्हारे दोस्त जैसे हैं, बैठो, इससे time waste होता था. So there were some teachers like that also. तो वो चीज भी
सलोनी,
खत्म कर दी.
ये बहुत interesting सोच है आपकी, because when you think about it, that's even worse than asking them to stand up. In a sense कि वो patronizing attitude है कि नहीं हम सब दोस्त हैं, but I'm telling you that you don't have to stand up. So in a way it's
but वो उसके साथ एक अपना lecture देते थे ना स्कूल में टीचर्स की. ठीक है आप खड़े होते हो, उसके बाद भी आप अपना मन मारकर खड़े होते हो कि हाँ ठीक है खड़ा होना, उससे अच्छा आप मत खड़े होइए, हमें नहीं चाहिए आपकी रिस्पेक्ट ऐसी. तो वो पूरा उनका एक मेलोड्रामेटिक उनका लेक्चर चलता था कि ठीक है क्या पहले के जमाने में वो फिर अपने जमाने में पहुंच जाया करते थे टीचर्स. तो उसके बाद उनका हो गया था कि ठीक है बैठे रहा करो, हमें कोई जरूरत नहीं तुम्हारे खड़े होने की। तो बच्चों ने भी नहीं बनाया था, बच्चे भी बहुत बदतमीज होते थे। वी वर लाइक हाँ ठीक है नहीं खड़े होंगे।
मेरे को ये पैरेलल सिनेमा के इफेक्ट या थोड़ा लेफ्ट लीनिंग इफेक्ट आ गया इसमें, बिकॉज टीचर्स आई थिंक ऑफ मे बी ग्रोइंग अप 70s 80s में, जो 90s में 90s 2000 में टीच करते थे, एट दैट पॉइंट आई थिंक देयर आइडियाज वर लिटिल बिट more egalitarian and let's not have this hierarchy and let's not have master pupil dynamic. So yeah, little bit of that. But did that help you? Did you talk in class? Did you perform in class?
Yeah, I always did. I mean, मेरा interest शुरू से stage में था. I was always on stage जब भी chance मिलता था. So I used to do mimicry from my school, and I used to mimic all my friends, and then it went on to mimicking my teachers and then my principal. So there was one
सामने
teacher.
टीचर्स के सामने?
Yeah, I did. There was this one teacher. He used to teach us English communication. अब उसमें वो क्या ही सिखाएंगे? So वो आते थे क्लास में. अब आई थिंक 45 मिनट्स का हमारा एक पीरियड होता था, और उसमें आके वो 5-10 मिनट शुरुआत में वो कि इफ यू मीट अ पर्सन से हेलो एंड देन दैट पर्सन विल से कि हाय आई एम ओके हाउ आर यू, सो व्हाट विल यू रिप्लाई. तो वो बेसिक्स चीजें उन्हें सिखानी होती थी. तो अब वो तो ये सब तो 10-15 मिनट में खत्म हो जाएगा ना. उसके बाद हाउ विल यू व्हाट विल यू डू फॉर लाइक 25 मोर मिनट्स. सो उन्होंने ऐसे ही गेम खेलना शुरू किया कि व्हाट आर योर टैलेंट्स, क्या कर सकते हो बच्चे. तो अब ज्यादातर बच्चे वही गाना गाते थे, और उस टाइम पे वो हिमेश रेशमिया बहुत फेमस थे. तो एवरीबॉडी वाज लाइक, सब वो तेरा सुरूर गा के चले जाते थे, तो सब बोर हो चुके थे.
उस जमाना का कंगना.
सो देन आई वेंट और मैंने बोला कि आई कैन मिमिक पीपल, एंड सो द फर्स्ट पर्सन आई मिमिक वाज हिम. So I mimicked him in front of himself, and then oh god, what I'm saying, I lost track.
But he,
yeah,
but he got.
I
उसको
mimicked him in
offense.
front of him, and then and then he was like कि हाँ तुम तो बहुत अच्छा करते हो. Mimic other teachers as well. So then he was like कि उनको जो teachers नहीं पसंद थे, he asked me to mimic them, and then he was like I don't like the principal as well, so mimic your principal also. और मुझे पहली बार ऐसे स्टेज पर इतना वो मिला था कि हाँ ठीक है लोग मुझे सुनना चाहते हैं.
सबके सामने?
नहीं स्टेज मतलब
प्रिंसिपल का नकल.
45 स्टूडेंट्स थे मेरी क्लास में, तो इट्स मोर और लेस अ स्टेज ओनली. इतने बच्चों के सामने
डेंजरस सिचुएशन भी होगा ना, बिकॉज़ वर्ड विल गो टू टीचर्स और प्रिंसिपल्स और बाकी पीपल इन पावर.
तब बोलने की आजादी थी प्रॉपर.
So what you're saying is teachers gave you full freedom, which perhaps governments
only
and
only one teacher.
ये communication वाला.
Yeah. So he took it very seriously. उन्होंने communication को बहुत seriously लिया.
Saloni, do a bit. I know we don't know who he is and all, but do a bit if you remember. इनका.
I don't remember. He left after like 1 year.
After you mimicked him and made fun.
Yeah. So he was like ये अब तो ज्यादा हो रहा है. मैंने तो थोड़ा सा start करने के लिए बोला था. I thought मैं दूसरे teachers के लिए बोलूँगा तो ये मेरा करना बंद कर देगी, but she didn't. तो फिर वो चले गए थे. I don't remember, but there was this one
but
teacher.
But a cool guy, yaar. He was a cool guy. He allowed you to make fun of himself.
Cool,
I don't know many teachers like that.
Yeah, so basically वो वही थे कि कुछ लोग होते हैं ना जो जिन्हें बस स्कूल होने के पैसे मिल जाते हैं. तो he was that.
God, you're so cynical, Saloni. God, इतने cynical. You're not finding any positive thought in all this. How sad.
No, I am quite. I owe him everything that he saw that in me कि हाँ ठीक है तुम मिमिक्री अच्छी करते हो, do it. But वही है कि उन्हें जैसे क्या था कि पहले you asked me to do a bit जो मुझे याद हो. I used to mimic one teacher of mine, and she was really old, and she had a problem. I don't know what disease is that called. Her neck used to shake, and as a kid I used to find that hilarious.
Parkinson's.
I don't know what it's
very
called.
bad disease.
And I used to think कि हाँ ये तो बहुत funny है. तो मतलब मैं उतनी insensitive थी बचपन में. फिर वो gradually मुझे समझ में आया कि no, these are not the things that you should make fun of. So I stopped doing that, but she was the first teacher I mimicked in front of my friends और सबके सामने. But then I regretted so much.
Did she see it?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करना.
Did she
No,
see
she
it?
didn't.
Because that would not have gone well.
And she used to live. She used to live in my nanny's neighborhood. So she knew my mother, and she once complained as well. वो हमें पढ़ाती थी, and she complained कि Saloni asks so many questions, and she's so annoying and something like that. And then I thought that I should mimic her. I don't know why I thought that, but then I regretted so much. No, that she has a disease. I shouldn't do this. But yeah, that's how I learned and that's how I knew कि किस चीज पर जोक करना चाहिए, किस चीज पर नहीं करना चाहिए.
But Saloni, इसका मतलब है कि you have a little bit of खुन्नस, so we better be careful of you. Under the smiling sweet face, अगर by
वो
chance मैंने
no, no,
cross
no,
किया,
no. That was only when I was a kid. That used to happen only when I was a kid. Not right now. Now I have understood.
okay, no worries. Let's go on a little bit from there. So obviously the kids, the Sahelis and the dosts and the friends and the people around, they all encourage you. They must have enjoyed it, right?
Yeah. So they,
And
I think they encouraged me only because उनको मजा आता था कि हाँ ठीक है, जो टीचर्स हमें नहीं पसंद थी उनकी बैंड बजा देती है ऐसे ऐसे करके. So,
also time pass, class में time pass करना है.
yeah,
तो
exactly. I mean, हमारे स्कूल में जैसे मेरे कजन्स भी जो दूसरे स्कूल्स में पढ़ते थे उनके क्लासरूम में टीवी वगैरह हुआ करता था.
Wow.
और जैसे टीचर एक क्लासरूम से दूसरे क्लासरूम में आने में टाइम लगता था, दे यूज्ड टू टर्न इट ऑन और वो देखते रहते थे कुछ ना कुछ कि आज ये चला दिया वो चला दिया. चाइल्ड लॉक भी नहीं लगाते थे स्कूल में, पता नहीं कैसे स्कूल था उनका. तो हमारे स्कूल में ये सब भी नहीं था. So the only source of entertainment for them was me. तो उनको मजा आता था and they encouraged me कि हाँ वो तो मतलब इतना भी मुझे हाइप कर देते थे कि हाँ मैम के सामने करके दिखा दे, कुछ नहीं बोलेंगी मैम, कुछ नहीं करेंगी ये वो. तो मतलब तो एक थोड़ा ये भी था. बट या दे हेल्प मी अ लॉट एंड वो सर और ये मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने इन लोगों ने मुझे काफी सपोर्ट किया था कि दैट या यू कैन डू दिस एंड यू हैव अ.
और मम्मी डैडी क्या कहते थे? घर में सपोर्ट थे या they were just not taking it seriously?
Yeah, so they were supporting me because they didn't think that I can do something in this field, in this field. So when I started making all these videos on internet, they were like कि हाँ अरे आज तो they were really excited at first कि हाँ आज तो सलोनी ने ये बनाया है, अरे ये क्या स्नैपचैट का फिल्टर लगा के ऐसा मुंह कर लिया, ये बहुत फनी लग रहा है. So they were all very supportive. बट फिर उन्हें जब मैंने एक दिन बोला कि मम्मी आई डोंट वांट टू गिव बैंकिंग एग्जाम्स, मेरी मम्मी चाहती थी कि मैं बैंक का ही एग्जाम दूं. So because she used to go to all these government banks and she used to stand in such long queues. So she was like कि दोनों बच्चों में से एक बच्चा तो बैंक में होना ही चाहिए ताकि मेरी पासबुक पहले अपडेट हो जाए. तो अब मेरा भाई नहीं बना तो she was like कि अब तू ही बची है तो you should give this exam. And then I was like कि नहीं मम्मी मुझे तो कॉमेडी ही करनी है और मेरा भाई भी कॉमेडियन ही है. तो मेरी मम्मी कहा था दोनों एक ही काम करोगे, ये कैसे होगा? और एक का चलना बंद हो गया और दूसरे का भी बंद हो गया, किसी की तो जॉब होनी चाहिए ना. तो मेरी मम्मी उतनी भी प्रैक्टिकल थी और उन्होंने काफी बोला कि नहीं नहीं. वो मुझे कॉल करके अभी जब मेरा ये शो आ गया था उसके बाद भी वो मुझे एक दिन कॉल करके बता रही है कि हमारे किसी तो नेबर की बैंक में जॉब लग गई. तो वो मुझे कॉल करके कह रही है कि देखा उनकी बेटी मैनेजर बन गई. तो मैंने कहा मेरा शो आ रहा है पूरा. तो कह रही है हाँ पर वो तो मैनेजर बन गई ना. तो मुझे समझ में भी नहीं आता है तुमको कैसे समझना है.
इतनी सुपर्ब कहानी है कि आपके बायोपिक में अगर बन जाते कभी तो आई वांट दिस स्टोरी टू बी पिक्चराइज्ड परफेक्टली. मम्मी लाइन में खड़ी है, वो उसका मोन्टाज ले लो 5 6 10 बार. देन मम्मी आंसू, आंखें में आंसू है और मम्मी सेज कि यू हैव टू बिकम अ बैंकर, आई डोंट वांट टू सफर दैट एवर अगेन. आई लव दिस स्टोरी.
वो बैंक में होता भी ऐसा ना कि बैंक वाले भी थोड़ा ऐसे खुन्नस में बैठे रहते हैं कि आप उनसे पूछने जाओगे कि ये डिपॉजिट कहाँ पर करना है, ये स्लिप कहाँ पर डिपॉजिट करना है, 4 नंबर काउंटर. तो वो ग्लास जो होता है आपके सामने उसमें से सुनाई भी नहीं देता है कि वो 4 नंबर काउंटर बोला. तो माय मदर यूज्ड टू गेट वेरी इरिटेटेड कि ये क्या बोलते हैं, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. चलो ने तेरी जॉब लगी तो साफ साफ बोलना, लोगों को अच्छे से बात करना. मैंने कहा मम्मी मुझसे ये नहीं हो पाएगा कि मैं लोगों को 100 200 रुपए निकाल के दूं.
वो बड़ी सोच है when you think about it, because ये जो unemotional government servant bureaucratic जो system है इंडिया में, ये response जो unemotional without feeling without conscience जो होते हैं, a lot of people will understand where your mother is coming from. I also I think seen not just in the bank but everywhere postal service जहाँ पे भी आप जाते हैं जहाँ पे lines है, a lot of these guys they are puck out by their job, they have just no perhaps interest, it's maybe not their fault also. So this kind of one word answer या without looking up, मेरे साथ I think because अगर उसका ध्यान इस पे है they don't even look up and answer, they'll say number 4 बस.
हाँ क्योंकि उनके पास इतने लोग आएंगे obviously they'll get irritated. और कुछ लोग तो क्वेश्चन भी अजीब अजीब पूछते हैं. I think मैंने भी काफी बार पूछा था कि मैं अब वो क्योंकि समझ में नहीं आता तो एक ही क्वेश्चन को 4 बार पूछना पड़ेगा. तो मैंने भी ऐसा बहुत बार किया है कि आई हैव आस्क्ड द सेम क्वेश्चन टू हिम 4 टाइम्स और उसके बाद
वो कैसे सवाल है, सर जी टाइम क्या है, सर जी टाइम क्या है. यू शुड आस्क एनी सिली क्वेश्चंस. मेरा एक विचार है और वो है कि वी शुड ऑल गो वेयरिंग लेस क्लोथिंग टू बैंक्स एंड प्लेसेस लाइक दैट. मगर आई शुड जस्ट गो इन अ चड्डी फॉर एग्जांपल, बिकॉज़ देन दे विल रिस्पोंड. यार नहीं तो कोई रिस्पांस नहीं होता है ना, जैसे लगता है कि कुछ हुआ नहीं लाइफ में. एक दिन से दूसरे दिन में कुछ
You'll
परिवर्तन नहीं
have to
होता,
go
इट्स
without
एग्जैक्टली द
t-shirt
सेम.
because they can't see
हाँ, that's
below
right,
this.
that's right.
They can't see.
और अगर ऐसा करता है टेलर, तो you know they're a pervert because they never normally do that. हाँ. Okay, listen, Saloni, we have to get you to do some acts for us, yaar. I've been told by Silvery, अपना producer, कि this is gold. We have to get her. But before we get to Kangana, what is the first video that you did, and take us to what was the thinking, or वो पहला production?
Okay, so the first ever video which I did was I used that Snapchat filter of जो चेहरा बहुत बड़ा बड़ा कर देता है, बहुत फनी सा. तो मुझे ये लगा था कि मेरे जोक्स फनी हो ना हो, मेरे चेहरे को देखकर लोग हंस दे. तो मेरा इंटेंशन वो था. और I used to have my account was private and it was just for my friends कि हाँ ठीक है, I have started this new thing, let's see how it goes and then I'll make it public. So the first video I did was about these WhatsApp messages. I mean, मेरे friends ने ऐसा बहुत, वो तब हमारी generation में ये बहुत चल रहा था कि जिसका भी बर्थडे होता था तो वो 10 दिन 20 दिन पहले से पोस्ट डालनी शुरू हो जाती थी. 28 days to go, 27 days to go. So I ranted on that कि क्या है, मतलब कितने खाली हैं लोग कि
खाली और
अभी
कितने
बर्थडे से एक महीना पहले
28
शुरू हो गया.
days for birthday. Fabulous, यार. हाँ.
Exactly. I mean, मैं तो एक दिन पहले बर्थडे विश करने में भी मुझे बहुत वो होता है कि अभी आज, क्योंकि आपको ये उसके बाद समझ में नहीं आता है कि हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलने के बाद क्या बोले, आप आगे क्या बात करें.
तो इस पॉइंट पे सलोनी becomes the bank teller. Non emotion, insensitive, no interest. Correct?
So that's why I have only 2 friends. उनके साथ मेरा हो गया है. अब मैं उनको बर्थडे पे विश करती हूँ, वो समझ जाते हैं कि हाँ बस इतना ही ठीक है. अब वो भी मुझे ऐसे ही विश करते हैं. तो we have become quite cool in that way. I mean, हम सेम पेज पर है अभी, हमें समझ में आ गया कि एक दूसरे को क्या चाहिए. So yeah, coming back to the video, my first video was about that only. मैं बहुत irritate हो गई थी वो देख देख के. मैं लोगों को literally mute करती थी कि बर्थडे पोस्ट हटाओ इसको. So first video was about that, and I continued doing those rants for like half year, and I used to rant about anything and everything. Yeah.
ये सारे वीडियोस ओनली फ्रेंड्स के सर्कल्स में थे. You did not, this is not like public consumption.
I didn't make it public because क्या हुआ था कि मेरे कुछ रिश्तेदार थे. मैं नया दिल्ली गई थी, तो मेरे रिश्तेदारों का भी वही था. सब बहुत वो होता है ना, आपके मम्मी पापा से ज्यादा आपके रिश्तेदारों का आपकी फिक्र होती है कि ओह पहली बार दिल्ली गई, अब देखते हैं क्या करती है वहां जाकर. तो ये एक होता. तो मैंने एक बार कोई तो वीडियो डाली थी एंड वन ऑफ माय रिलेटिव्स कमेंटेड कि पढ़ाई भी चल रही है, यही सब हो रहा है. And then I was like कि मैं हर दिन एग्जाम में 20 on 20 स्कोर कर रही हूँ और आपको फर्क क्या पड़ता है, मतलब मैं कुछ भी करूँ. So then I messaged him separately और मैंने उन्हें समझाया कि मेरी पढ़ाई अच्छी चल रही है और मैंने बहुत अच्छे से ही बात की थी. मुझे लगा कि अभी मम्मी को शिकायत ना कर दें. मैंने उन्हें अच्छे से समझाया, फिर मैंने उनको ब्लॉक कर दिया था. उसके बाद फिर लेकिन मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि ठीक है यार, ये रिश्तेदार वगैरह तो जो बोलेंगे वो बोलते ही रहेंगे, बट आई शुड मेक माय अकाउंट पब्लिक. और जब लोगों को मजा आने लगा तब मैंने कर भी दिया था. और उसके बाद देन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग नज़्मा आपी. वो धीरे धीरे थोड़े समझ में आया कि हाउ कैरेक्टर्स आर मेड. उससे पहले तो कुछ सर पैर ही नहीं होता था मेरे वीडियोस का. मैं कैमरा पकड़ के सिर्फ बोलने लग जाती थी, तो कुछ सेंस नहीं बैठता था उन चीजों को. कभी कभी फनी होते थे, कभी कभी नहीं होते थे. मुझे I mean, I didn't take any lesson on comedy. मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था.
एटलीस्ट कभी कभी होते थे ना. अपना 27 ईयर करियर में एक बार भी नहीं हुआ, तो एटलीस्ट थोड़ा सफलता कामयाबी तो है. इट्स समथिंग टू बी प्राउड ऑफ. I'm just interrupting because I want to get to Kangana also. What did you say? You said something about वो जो outer family है ना, इंडिया में especially, I don't know about foreigners, but इंडिया में ये outer family जो distant family members है, I think it's very interesting point कि इनका ये business इतने ध्यान क्यों डालते हैं दूसरे पे. If you understand, it's never the mother father, it's always the cousins and the far uncle auntie. तो ये क्यों होता है अपना कल्चर में? Can you give me the reason?
I don't know. People are so unemployed, I would say. they have nothing to work on. I mean, हमारी
उनको validation मिलते हैं, कुछ validation मिलते हैं कि I'll teach Saloni how to become a better person or something. I'm trying to think because this example.
I have such relatives who don't work themselves. I mean, वो ऐसे ही बैठे हुए, उनका रेंट से पैसा आ रहा है या कुछ भी है, जो हमारी कंट्री में होता है कि इतनी सारी प्रॉपर्टी खरीद ली, अब कुछ और काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. So I have those relatives as well. और वो मतलब उनके खुद के बच्चे कुछ नहीं कर रहे और वो हमें बोलते थे कि क्या कर रहे हैं क्या नहीं कर रहे. So मेरे मम्मी पापा को फिर ये हो गया था कि अब ठीक है, अब अगर इन्हें यही करना है उनके बच्चों को, मतलब हमें, तो वी हैव टू डील विद इट और हमें अपने आंसर्स कुछ सोचने पड़ेंगे जो हम बोले. तो अब क्या हुआ था कि there's this neighbor of mine and he once told my father कि अरे उन्होंने ऐसे टॉन्ट की तरह बोला था कि अब ये थोड़ा चिढ़ जाएंगे. उन्होंने बोला अरे आपकी बेटी तो ऐसे कुछ इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक पे कॉमेडी वॉमेडी करती है कुछ ऐसे. तो मेरे पापा फिर वो तो वहां गई थी दिल्ली पढ़ाई करने के लिए, वो हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. तो वो फुल मजे ले रहे थे. तो फिर मेरे पापा घर पर आए और तभी मेरा किसी तो न्यूज़पेपर में कोई आर्टिकल आया था. वो न्यूज़पेपर लेकर गए और उसको दिखा कर आ रहे हैं मेरे बच्चों का आर्टिकल आता है न्यूज़पेपर में.
What a story. तो क्या जवाब था फिर?
तो फिर उसके बाद वो कुछ नहीं बोले.
कुछ कहा?
नथिंग.
बस
आई मीन क्या उसके बाद
वेल
क्या
डन बेटा, वेल डन.
तो मेरे पेरेंट्स भी बहुत कूल हो गए इस मामले में कि उनको पता है क्या बोलना है.
Super. I hope you do a video on these rishtedars who are distant and all. I think this is very much part of. Everybody will agree with this and identify कि जो interfering relatives, उसकी business भी नहीं है, फिर बार-बार ध्यान रखते हैं आपकी लाइफ में, उसकी लाइफ में नहीं, उसकी खुद की लाइफ में, बच्चों की लाइफ में नहीं. And I think this is north, south, east, west of India. Very true story. Before we go into break, can we get the Kangana? But how did you get into the whole why did you choose Kangana? I mean, obviously Kangana is funny, no doubt.
Because she's always in the news. I mean, if I mimic Deepika Padukone, nobody would see it because she doesn't talk about all these current issues. Or I mean, Kangana तो खुद ही joke का premise set कर देती है ना. मुझे तो सिर्फ punchline add करनी होती है. So it's quite easy for me, and I can mimic Kangana. So that's why I picked her. And I am a huge fan of her acting until now. I am.
But that's fine.
तो वही था कि
नहीं
yeah,
ये अलग है. You're right, actually right.
Acting, that I always say.
Yeah.
Acting, she is superb in her acting, but yeah, I don't agree with her.
Personal बातें and professional बातें अलग है, and I also like her as an actress.
वो होना भी चाहिए. काफी लोगों को यही समझ में नहीं आता है. They just completely start hating that person. I mean, ठीक है. अब कंगना को यही साइड, I mean, she doesn't get any endorsements और बाकी सब, तो she's selling that one party. उसमें क्या फर्क है?
She gets one endorsement from the center हर बार. But did you get any? उसमें कुछ negative feedback मिला आपको? मतलब people, her fans या maybe
yes, she herself reacted. What about her fans?
मतलब what did she say?
So once last year, I think it's about last year lockdown, Rangoli commented on my video. She didn't even see my video what it was about. She just read some comments and then उन्हीं के basis पर she framed a theory कि हाँ ये तो कंगना का ऐसे मजाक उड़ाते हैं. And she wrote a big paragraph कि हाँ ठीक है आजकल तो सब कंगना बनना चाहते हैं, तेरी तो कॉमेडी फनी भी नहीं, ऐसे वही जो उनका प्रॉपर चलता है. तो she wrote that. उसके बाद मैंने कोई रिप्लाई नहीं दिया because मुझे मेरी अकाउंटेबिलिटी मेरी ऑडियंस के लिए, not to her. So next day she commented another thing and she said कि maybe I was too harsh on Saloni, but Kangna loves her videos. And when Kangna saw that I said something to her, so she was like no, you shouldn't have said that part because like people who are mimicked live long even after they die. I mean, like Devanand, people still mimic him, so that's how he is alive within us. So that's what she said. And then I didn't comment on that as well. But this year, I think last November, December, I think in January when that Diljit Dosanjh thing happened. So I made a fun video of Kangna asking Siri who's the best actress in India. So Siri was saying all sorts of names, but not Kangna. So she gets irritated. So she commented on that video that you are like my shit also sells, and that was so funny. I mean,
she said that
comparing to what she says to other people, she was still very sweet to me, I would say. जिस तरीके से वो बाकी लोगों पर बरस जाती है, वो मेरे ऊपर तो काफी कम हुआ था. So she just called me her shit. That's completely fine. And then, like a month back, she blocked me when I tweeted something. And then, uske baad
then they blocked her.
Interaction.
Then badla mila because they blocked her. Twitter blocked her. But
yeah, then Twitter blocked her. Uske एक हफ्ता पहले ही I think उन्होंने मुझे block किया था. And then Twitter.
See, देखा? But so in a way, it's an endorsement. The fact that the super celebrity, and she is, whether you like it or not, super celebrity, responds to you, her family responds to you, all that, it's an endorsement कि आपने कुछ emotional chord touch किया, positively या negatively वो अलग बात है, but you've definitely reached her, that's the point.
Exactly. Then her fans make her understand कि she just wants your attention. Kangna, don't reply to her.
But to
अब
be
ठीक है.
fair, Saloni, I just Silvery sent me some of the videos. I saw them right now. They're very sweet, actually. I mean, they're funny, but they're not vicious. I
Yeah,
would not think
exactly.
they're vicious. हाँ.
I don't want to be that person. I mean, और मैं हूँ भी नहीं. बचपन में थी ऐसी, but अभी तो मैं नहीं हूँ. I'm not that
एक
kind of
टीचर
person.
की नकल, which was over the top, the neck वाला. That's about it. Nothing else.
Yeah, that changed me completely. उसके बाद जब मुझे realize हुआ, उसके बाद से मैंने ये सब छोड़ ही दिया था. ऐसा मजाक उड़ाना. तो कंगना की भी जितने भी मैंने वीडियोस करे, they're not vicious exactly. I mean, अब ठीक है, उसमें आज जो वीडियो पे उन्होंने मुझे shit बोला था, तो उसमें यही था कि मैंने पूछा कि who's the best actor. ठीक है, actress नहीं बता रही सीधी, तो मुझे actor बताओ. So
उसमें क्या vicious, इसमें कुछ vicious बात नहीं है. It's very funny. I thought it's really above the belt, not below the belt. So what is the problem?
Exactly.
और इसमें professional points भी है, because you're not even getting personal. You're saying as an actress. So it's not even like a personal mummy daddy के बारे में या background के बारे में या region के बारे में. It's only about her as an actress. It's a perfectly good joke.
But
We will protect you.
She didn't understand.
Saloni, we will protect you. We have formed the Parsi Sena. It's 3 people are there at the moment in the group. We are going worldwide, and we will look after you. Don't worry. Don't stop. I must say, I'm a big fan of yours. I saw everything. It was all very nice. There's no malice. Or, I know when some comedians sometimes have kunnas, gusai, which is beyond, or maybe there's a personal fight with somebody, and you can see the way they talk that it just becomes, gali galoch at the end. It just becomes abusing. So I think this is very creative and fun. You please continue. Do not worry. Remember, if anything happens, we can all move to Nepal and continue. We don't have to panic. इतनी दूर भी नहीं है.
Nepal
Just
is
keep
Ayodhya,
walking.
na? Nepal is
Then, that's true. Be careful.
Please cut this part.
No. Don't. Listen, in your heart, you're not malicious. Never fear. If you're trying to be mean to someone, then like you said about the teacher, who बाद में आपकी conscience ने खुद बात किया, in your mind कि this is below the belt or whatever. So I think don't worry. Please don't censor yourself. It's so nice and funny. What's wrong with you? Let's take a break and bring Silvery back in. I'm not someone who believes in credit, but these days I find myself using my credit card more and more, because if I pay my credit card bills on Cred, I get amazing rewards and cashback. Honestly, this is the kind of validation I was waiting for in my life. Just download Cred. Silvery is also a stand-up comedian. I don't know if you know him. Silvery, Antriksh.
Hey, hi. Good morning, guys.
And he's very upset that you have so many followers and have done so well when you all both started the career at the same time. Silvery, buck up, yaar. Buck up, beta.
Yes, sure.
Fight.
Sure, yes.
Indian woman is taking us down. We are losing very badly.
नहीं,
absolutely.
अंतरिक्ष मेरे paid followers हैं.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Chalo, done. I'll start earning more money.
अपना भी paid followers है, but पैसा नहीं है.
Yeah, exactly. Saloni, I want to ask. I want to ask. Are there like lesser known impressions that celebrity impressions that you haven't like yet tried out in public or something yet?
No.
No, nothing.
All that I know, I have done.
Okay. Cool.
No, also I think
Nice.
Kangana became so big.
Yeah, but if Cyrus asks me any questions, I can reply as Kangna without the wig.
Yep. Cyrus, you want to do that?
Yeah. Can you tell us what is wrong with the country, Saloni? I mean, in short, what are the problems we are
देखिए,
facing?
या तो देखिए, सरकार के अलावा देश में सब कुछ खराब है. सबसे बुरे तो ये कॉमेडियंस हैं. इन्होंने पूरे देश का मजाक बना के रखा हुआ है. मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है कि मतलब आप एक पार्टी के पीछे लग जाते हैं, आप उनकी बुराई करने लगते हैं, आप पढ़ते भी नहीं है कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं. आपको बस मजा आ रहा है जब हमारी पूरे वर्ल्ड में छीछा लेदर हो जाती है, आपको उससे मजा आता है. बड़ी बड़ी मैगजीन हमारे बारे में लिखते हैं, उससे मजा आता है. तो देश में जनता खराब है, देश की सरकार खराब नहीं है, बाकी सब कुछ खराब है सरकार को छोड़कर.
Wow.
Now she is moving to Nepal.
Yeah, I love the hair.
Line of
Let's go to
control.
Nepal.
I love the way she says hair, like hair ko hair. It's so spot on. It's so
She's also got that energy level of Kangana, which is not
Yeah,
easy to
yeah.
get. She's almost like she's on speed or coffee, pike बातचीत करते हैं वो.
Yeah, so
But
Kangna का impression तो ऐसा हो गया that even if you wake me at 3 in the night, I can mimic her. मतलब
wow.
वो
But can
मुझे
Kangana
time भी नहीं
do-
लगेगा.
और कंगना खुद नहीं कर सकती 3 बजे. She takes half an hour makeup and
No,
hair and all that.
Kangna can do it anytime. वो तो She's always charged up.
But you know what I like of what you said, that as an actress, and that's, I don't know why we Indians don't do this more. Yeah, itni emotional
Yeah,
baat hai. I mean, as an actress, you can enjoy her film still. You can still like her as an actress
exactly.
and as a performer. But LeBron James, the NBA basketballer, it's a very odd example to give, but I'm just saying he's also getting a lot of flack for his views sometimes against the police, without looking at the facts, etc., in the Black Lives Matter movement, etc. But the point is, as a basketballer, that's different. So you can enjoy him as an athlete, as a sports person, Kangana as an artist. I don't know why people can't separate that. There are lots of idiots in India who say idiotic things, but doesn't mean they're not good at what they do. Yeah,
हमारे
so
यहाँ ये सिर्फ क्रिकेट में फॉलो होता है. क्रिकेटर्स कैन से एनी शिट, बट जब भी मैच होगा हम सब मिलकर बैठ जाएंगे कि हाँ ठीक है, सपोर्ट
हाँ,
दैट.
वो सही है, मगर क्रिकेटर्स बैक ट्रैक. सी, क्रिकेटर्स जनरली इफ दे फील कि मैंने कुछ गलती किया, लाइन क्रॉस किया, तो दे नॉर्मली से सॉरी एंड बैक ट्रैक बिकॉज दे गेट द फीडबैक. Different with Kangana, which why she's getting unpopular with thanks to you also. Thing is that she's not, very hard line. She's taking a very hard line all the time. So कभी flexibility नहीं है उसमें. If there's flexibility, people feel more, calm about the situation and they accept your thinking.
Yeah.
But this is that is why right wing thinking comes from, because right wing is inflexible. So Antariksh is right wing.
Both, I believe both the wings are inflexible. I would say. I mean, मैंने तो दोनों का ही देखा है कि मतलब इसीलिए I don't believe in any ideology. I mean, I would say कि मैं भाई I have seen some issues कि जिसपे लेफ्ट वालों को बोलना चाहिए कि हाँ ठीक है इस बार हमारी गलती है, बट दे डोंट से, वो भी उसको डिफेंड करने लग जाते हैं. सो एवरीबॉडी इज प्लेइंग पॉलिटिक्स
नहीं.
ओनली.
So
दोनों
we'll
ही साइड
discuss.
मुझे तो
Saloni, you're saying the right thing, because what you're saying is correct. Ultimately, I think right या left ठीक है, मगर तुम extreme पे जाते हैं लोग ना, जब extreme पे जाते
हाँ,
हैं, there's no
एक्सट्रीमिस्ट
difference.
तो दोनों ही
Extreme,
साइड पे
extreme right या
बहुत.
extreme left,
Yeah.
extreme कुछ भी extreme. Like I'm an extreme lover of scratching, but cocktail parties में
एग्जैक्टली.
जब मैं
और ये इंडिया में बहुत ही ज्यादा है कि वी स्टार्ट टू आइडल वर्शिपिंग में हो जाते हैं हम. ठीक है भाई ये एक्टर, अब तो ये कुछ भी बोलेगा तो हम इसके सपोर्ट में ही है. So, सही को सही बोलो, गलत को गलत बोलो, उसमें तुम्हारा क्या प्रॉब्लम है? मतलब तुम ऐसा एक दिन लोग तुम्हें क्वेश्चन नहीं करने लग जाएंगे कि तुम इसे सपोर्ट करते थे, अब देखो ये क्या बोल रहा है. ऐसा नहीं
But
होने वाला है.
एक बात बताऊं, इसमें डेफिनेटली एक बदलाव है, विच इज 80s 90s और आज. और वो बदलाव है कि बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स या क्रिकेटर्स का कुछ पॉलिटिकल जानकारी, सोच, विचार, बातचीत कभी नहीं होते थे. एंड नाउ everybody, because of Twitter and Insta or वगैरह वगैरह, are always giving opinions, either pro government, anti government, hardly balanced government. That only our podcast does, right, Silvery?
Yep.
So
Yeah, I
but
mean,
that's
मैं तो मैं तो करण जौहर का सोचती हूँ कि
Karan Johar
वो
का
मतलब
impression, नकल.
नहीं
Oh yes,
I
please,
can't mimic it.
Silvery, help
I
me.
don't know
This
how
will be
to.
great. This will be gold. Please.
But I don't know how to.
I
I can
no.
probably dance like him, जैसे वो डांस करते हैं झलक दिखला जा में, but I don't know how to mimic him.
Okay, I'll let it go. But I know
Yeah.
she knows.
Yeah,
Silvery, I
fine.
know she knows.
I
ये
mean-
थोड़ा
No, I
politically
don't know. I don't know.
Saloni is
अगर
telling
मुझे
me to
वो
be very.
आता तो मैं अपने Instagram पर कब के उसे करके views कमा चुकी होती, but I
नहीं
seriously
नहीं,
don't know
सब
how to.
बकवास. Silvery भाई, she's very wise head on her young shoulders, because she knows exactly where to stop. बहुत बढ़िया sir. We should learn
Yeah.
from her. Very good. But
Okay.
again, coming back to even Kangana, I think Saloni's style is not there that much in India. In India, people are just becoming very emotional even with their comedy. Sometimes I feel, there's no need to do that. I like the fact that it's all humor, basically. Even saying that, now she'll introduce bridal makeup. I was just going through one just now. And, I mean, the thinking process it's I don't know why she would take offense. It's just funny. It's not mean. So,
Yeah, I mean, if someone mimics me, I would be so happy.
but it's not Maben Gali. It's not going to some personal thing, and also the knuckle of the performance. That's like a tribute.
Yeah.
When you do this head and all the way she
Yeah.
talks, or speed mein baatcheet jo hoti hai and all that, it's not a insult. Like
But now she has
Silvery
become
can.
that kind of a person. She takes
अभी बहुत
offense in
touchy,
everything.
अभी बहुत touchy है. But there's a huge change in the last 6 months, 1 year. The responses to everyone and all unbelievable.
Yeah, but one thing that I like, one thing that I find really funny is कि her audience is also the same. जैसे अभी she posted a picture during Navratri where she was eating prasad and her family was eating prasad and it had onions in it. And she posted a picture of it and her audience went all the way like, how can you eat onions with prasad? So I was like,
Yeah.
That's the audience she has gathered around and now she's getting it.
But to give her a due, she's come from nowhere. She made it on her own. She's a very
Yeah,
established actress.
that's
She
why
has
I
no camp
respect her as
following.
well. I mean, yeah.
That, you know,
Yeah.
and it's so sad that she doesn't understand that people do respect her because of that. But
Yeah.
the views are dangerous sometimes, and in our country, we don't want more people to hate more people. That's why this podcast, we are calling it the Mother Teresa podcast, Saloni. Here we spread love. That's why I don't wear clothes. I shouldn't have mentioned that. I'm sorry. My parents are watching.
Such an eco-friendly podcast.
Yeah, eco and not ego-friendly, but unfortunately.
Yeah.
No. But one thing, may I just praise you a little bit more because I think you're very charming. And one thing I really like is that you've got a very true voice of your own. I can't think of any influence that is strong in you. It's just you. You know, I can't think that this is she's influenced by X, X person's thought process or anything like that. So I think that's fabulous, really. Maybe you'll become much bigger than Kangana one day, and then you'll become evil, and you'll start calling people names and destroying the country and challenging state governments and having buildings pulled down
And one
and
day I'll
pulled
be
up.
tweeting about Cyrus. This person,
वो
he just
हाँ,
talks
उसकी वजह से
so much
सब हुआ
about
वो
government and
पॉडकास्ट के
all
बाद
on CNN. Oh my god.
Silvery,
Yes.
what do you have to say?
Should we get to the AMAs?
अच्छा Punjabi boys lost interest. Leave it here.
No, I'm not.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to another week on the IVM Podcasting Network. If you're not following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I would like to thank the sponsors of the network this week, Cred, Ciet, and PayPal. Thank you so much. You make everything possible. Before I recommend a couple of episodes, I just wanted to quickly talk a little bit about Ankush Champanerkar. Ankush was a team member who we lost due to COVID-related complications. He was a really fun guy, and I wish I knew him better than I got to know him in the short time he was with us. But I hope that you can remember him in your thoughts and prayers. Also, quick reminder about Pod for Change, the initiative set up by the podcasting community, along with Give India, the NGO partner. You can go to tinyurl.com/podforchangeindia, and I'm sure that it would be much appreciated any donations that you could give. With that, let me quickly give you a couple of highlights from this week. Aditi Mittal was on Cyrus Says. Great episode. Do check that out. On the Habit Coach, Ashton talks about using the word impossible and suggests some better alternatives. On Advertising is Dead, Varun was joined by Harsh Lal, the co-founder of the Soul Store. On This Round is on Me, Gauri talks to Pankit Desai, who is the co-founder and CEO of Secure Tech. And finally, I'd like to mention that we have a new show called Tere Mere Raste, hosted by Keshav Chaturvedi. This time it's a trip to the beautiful blue city of Jodhpur, but every week he's going to tell you about his travels as a photographer. It's really well put together, really well done. I couldn't be more excited about the show. Please do definitely check that out. And with that, let me get you back to your show.
Follow me at Instagram and Twitter on Bored Brocha. I'm so bored. I need your help. I need your love. I need your touch. Okay, just follow me. Start.
All right. The first one comes in from Rohit Sharma. He says, "Hey Saloni, what do you think of your brother's T-shirt which says I am Saloni's brother and manager?"
So yeah, for quite a long time we didn't disclose that I'm his sister, because वही है कि एक अगर इंसान कुछ गलत बोल देगा तो दूसरे को गालियां पड़ेंगी. So we were like कि नहीं, हमें ये नहीं करना.
So it's not like Kangana and Rangoli.
हाँ,
Kangana Rangoli have disclosed.
तो हमने इसीलिए कभी डिस्क्लोज नहीं किया था, बट लोगों को फिर वो हम दोनों थोड़े थोड़े सेम भी दिखते हैं, तो लोगों को खुद से समझ में आने लग गया था कि यार दे आर ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर, दोनों का सरनेम भी मैच होता है. So he does this men's XP reviews. He reviews films and TV shows वगैरह. So वहाँ पे लोग लिखते हैं.
Saloni, wait, sorry. Is his initials KRK?
No.
Damn it.
Yeah. He didn't apologize to Salman for his Radhe review.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So it was around Rakhi.
Can you do Salman's mimicry?
Sorry.
Can you mimic Salman?
Let's do that.
No, I can't. I can mimic. I can make Varun Dhawan's face if you want.
Oh yeah.
Sure.
I even did that.
Varun Dhawan's face. चलो.
Yeah, तो मैंने कुली नंबर 1 देखी थी, पता नहीं क्यों देखी थी. I still don't know.
That's more mean than anything you did with Kangana.
No, but that's not mean. I mean, yeah, everybody would say this.
Yeah,
हाँ.
correct.
Even Varun would say कि why I
Even David Dhawan.
हाँ.
Okay,
तो
go on.
पूरे कुली number 1 में Varun's face was like this. 1 second, I'm still laughing. तो time लगा. He was like this for the whole film. He was like, Sara. तो it was so funny. वो हंस रहा है, वो रो रहा है. His face is like this. तो वो बहुत funny था. So I did that. Mimicry में time लगा तो मैंने थोड़ा face वाला कर लिया था.
Okay.
Very
Were you
nice.
working on a Varun Dhawan mimicry?
No, but look at
No,
the
I am
budget.
not. अभी मैं सिर्फ try कर रही हूँ कि मैं female voices को nail कर पाऊँ. फिर मेल
nice.
वॉइसेस पर जाएंगे
Oh,
क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी का ऐसा मानना है वो बचपन में मुझे बहुत बोलती थी कि ज्यादा मिमिक्री करेगी तो अपनी आवाज भूल जाएगी
But between you and
समटाइम्स आई
me,
टेक दिस वेरी सीरियसली
Silvery, between you and me, एक दो male voice जो है ना वो female voices को मिलते हैं. I don't think there's much of a difference.
Yep.
But we let her discover it.
Yeah.
Sorry, next.
Yep. All right. Next one comes in from Hola. Hola says, Saloni, does the PC generation, politically correct generation, affect today's comedy? And do you find comics tailoring material so you don't upset certain demographics?
I mean, अब see, जो comedians भी होते they do want to earn money. अब अगर उसके लिए अब अगर वो एक चीज को बोलते टाइम अगर पब्लिक उनके ऊपर बिल्कुल ऐसे चढ़ के आ रही है कि नहीं ये क्या बोल दिया and then it was वो full boycott हो गया अभी तो cancel culture इतना ज्यादा चल रहा है तो I don't see a point in it कि अगर मतलब उनकी भी choice है ना वो नहीं बोलना चाहते किसी चीज पर तो it's completely fine. अभी हम देखते हैं कि Bollywood actors के लिए हम full चढ़ जाते हैं कि अरे अभिषेक बच्चन ने ऐसा क्यों नहीं बोला सॉरी अमिताभ बच्चन ने ये क्यों नहीं बोला इस पर वो क्यों नहीं बोल रहा है बट देन व्हेन ही स्पीक्स सर्टेन पीपल कम एंड से कि अरे तूने ये क्यों बोल दिया ये क्या बोल दिया
Yep.
यू नो समटाइम्स इट इफेक्ट्स यू सो मच तो अगर लोग थोड़ा पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट हो भी रहे हैं तो इट डजंट मैटर आई मीन यू आपको जो पढ़ना है आप बोलो ना उस चीज पर आप पढ़ के आप अपनी ओपिनियन रखो दूसरा क्या कर रहा है उससे आपको क्या मतलब है
So this is a lesson in business. वो business के line और creative के line जब cross करते हैं, you have to stop. I mean, when the business will become bad.
Yeah.
So how do we know that? I think because of the Marwari background, Saloni is able to understand that by DNA. She doesn't have to think. They know immediately कि यहाँ पे अबे
I'm
हो
not
गया.
Marwari.
Isn't God Marwari?
No.
Okay, don't answer the question. We don't want
I think it's
regionalism
Punjabi.
and caste.
Please stop this casteism.
Casteism has to end. बहुत हो
अभी
गया.
यही
Oh God.
comments आ जाएंगे this
Oh
week.
yeah, I know. God.
So I was not
Okay.
views on casteism.
We just spoke about business में वो cross नहीं करना पड़ेगा ना अभी cross किया आपने
And what is the stereotypical thing? Marwaris and business.
I've grown up with all of them यार I'm allowed to make if you grow up with communities you can make fun of them because they like you so I'm allowed I'll
Okay.
call Mr. Somani right now I'll say yeah make 2 more jokes and Smita Gaur is Maru very much Maru
Oh, okay.
yeah and more
हाँ,
confused
वही,
than me
काफी surnames होते हैं.
Silvery bhai
Yes.
do you have anything
Yes.
to comment about regionalism in comedy in India casteism तो हो गया let's move to regionalism
There's
Caste
no
वाले इतने questions तो
regionalism
मत
in comedy.
So a Pawai comedian should not be allowed to work in Valkeshwar. I'm telling you right now. You be careful. Our country will divide. They'll divide everything. You don't have to worry. After they finish the religion, they go to the next thing. Huh. Okay,
But
I
Powai
see
and
Sorry.
Balkeshwar are in the same city. You
that's
can-
true. But markets are
Yeah.
different now. You all have more organization. We don't even have place to sit. You have no idea how bad it is. Huh. Saloni, sorry, ये अभी interregional बात चला है. You do something
You're
for 5
talking
minutes.
about Powai ना?
हाँ.
जी हाँ जी हाँ.
Powai Mumbai. I used to
हाँ,
live
हाँ.
there.
Then what happened?
जब मैं शो के लिए मुंबई आई थी. तो
Then you
Powai में-
succeeded. Hey, Saloni, just ask the question. My doggy is barking. 1 sec.
Okay, sure. The next question comes in from Kashin Shetty. He asks, "What's an inappropriate time to crack a joke, which you happen to enjoy? Example: at funerals, or when someone has had a breakup, or while standing in line for vaccination."
So you should definitely not crack jokes at funerals. मतलब I have never been to a funeral except my मतलब हमारे में वही होता है कि बच्चे तो नहीं जाते हैं तो I was a kid like 2-3 साल पहले तो मैं अब तक किसी funeral में नहीं गई हूँ fortunately and I don't wanna go तो वहाँ मैंने कभी joke crack नहीं किया इसलिए but yeah breakup के time पे कर सकते हैं मतलब मेरे friends के breakup हुए मैंने बहुत joke मारे मतलब I can't be that person who will give you a shoulder to cry on I'll be like कि हाँ ठीक है तो अब रो लिया ना इतनी देर अब थोड़ा हंस लो मतलब मुझसे नहीं रहा जाएगा And you can definitely crack jokes while you are in line for vaccination. I mean, I did. I
Yeah.
took my first dose और वहाँ पर और कुछ करने के लिए होता ही नहीं है.
You're 45?
That's so. No.
No, 18 open already.
For Cyrus, FYI, vaccination has started for 18 plus people as well.
Maybe Kangana. but coming back to the making jokes and all that, yeah, I think, how can you ever get that right? By mistake, if you say something like kisi ka breakup hua and you in the middle you say hello Sanjay, how's Shalini, and he's just broken up. I mean, it's not your fault. You don't have the information. These things happen. I think people are overreacting to that. If you're going out of your way to tease someone, is different, and they're feeling pain or whatever. I suppose with the teacher, आपकी वो पहले example, teacher, what is her name?
Yeah.
Ma'am, let's call her ma'am. Ma'am had a possibly Parkinson's,
Yeah,
where the neck twitching happened,
I
which is a
just
horrible
remember.
disease.
I just remembered she actually also died last year. So.
And you're laughing. But you're not laughing
Yeah.
out of malice. It's a nervous
I'm
laughter.
saying we should really not talk about her now.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, let's move on.
What an inappropriate
yes.
moment we have created on the
Yes.
podcast. I want to apologize to the teacher's family because in some way we have led her to this. And it is a one in Saloni's biopic. I think this will always be there. This is a moment, a cathartic moment in her life where she realized कि यहाँ पे नहीं जाना है, यहीं पे रुकना है, and that's been there in her art, where she doesn't cross towards the malicious, the mean-spirited, or etc. etc. And yet we are laughing. Oh,
I
God help
would
us.
laugh now.
You will laugh. But this is nervous laughter. People have to
just
forgive
tell me
this.
the next question. I don't want to laugh on that.
All right. Shekhar Khaire has asked, please ask her to mimic Sonam Kapoor if she can. Do you have a
Okay.
Sonam Kapoor
So
impression?
yeah, Sonam's accent is quite tough to do for me as well. I mean, the first video that I did, it took me around 3-4 hours to get that perfectly. And she even said, "Haan, it's somewhat like mine, but not completely like what I say." But but she was
You
really
hurt her.
sweet
You hurt
after
her
that.
feelings.
Yeah,
You hurt her
no.
feelings.
She was quite a sport. She took it very good, and she even messaged me that I spilled my tea while I was watching it, and I even sent it to my mom-in-law, and she was quite cool. So she was just opposite of what Kangna is at that time. So yeah, I can mimic that one line which I nail perfectly every time. That's her L'Oreal ad. So you just keep a expressionless face and just say L'Oreal Paris का Power Repair 3X क्योंकि हमें नाज है खुद पर.
Oh, nice. Spot on. Yeah, I remember that ad. That's cute.
Yeah,
Since you buy-
that's the only line I can do.
Now, because of Saloni, I think a lot of men will buy L'Oreal products after this impression.
Yes, I have performed this line at so many platforms, at so many news channels and all. L'Oreal should really do something. They should sponsor one of my videos.
You make L'Oreal more famous than Sonam Kapoor. Yeah, you should make a lot of money on this, no doubt. But at least we are laughing at the right thing. Remember, 5 minutes pehle? Oh. अफसोस अंतरिक्ष बताइए नेक्स्ट
Yep.
क्या है
All right. Akshay Swami has commented, Saloni Gaur needs her own Netflix special. She's too good for Bollywood. So thank you for that, Akshay.
I had my own show on Sony Live. You should first watch that. Not many people watched it.
Okay, so yeah, please tell us.
Yeah,
tell
but
us the name of the show
Netflix,
and
please.
tell you.
You should give
तो
me
एक
some of
मिनट
your
एक
money.
मिनट let's
We have
understand the
lot.
market here. L'Oreal has to sponsor a Netflix special
In Netflix.
which will also go on Sony Live so that the Sony Live part 1 is also seen again. We have this marketing, yeah, marketing. I'll do it,
People
don't
saw
worry.
it on YouTube. They
But that's
did
cheating.
it on YouTube.
That's cheating. Then you don't get the rating and the points that you should get, but people have seen it. This is cheating.
Yeah,
YouTube
that's
will
what
be-
we wanted. I mean, we wanted people to watch it. उसके बाद लोगों का भी हो गया था कि 4 हफ्ते बाद ही सही, लेकिन हम तो YouTube पर ही देखेंगे जब फ्री में
एक
आएगा.
फोन कॉल रविशंकर प्रसाद को एक फोन कॉल करता हूं मैं अभी एंड आई विल शट एवरीथिंग डाउन राइट नाउ YouTube
किसको-
सब
किसको?
कुछ रविशंकर प्रसाद इज इन चार्ज
Oh,
मंत्री जी का नाम है भाई वो नाम तो वैसा तो आई एम नॉट इन्वॉल्व इन दैट पार्ट ऑफ इट
don't
रवि
call me.
प्लीज
My whole career will be dismantled.
he's very cool he's a nice guy hello yeah okay he's put me on hold let's move on to the next one Silvery
Yep.
तेरा मूड अच्छा नहीं है आज यार you're very low what happened
No, I'm perfectly fine.
Your-
I'm just
your-
reading. I'm just reading the comments. Sorry.
Your Pornhub thing is cancelled, huh?
Yeah. My subscription went off. Sorry, no, I didn't. I'm
Acha,
just
acha,
joking.
acha. Sorry,
Glad
yaar,
you
sorry.
don't live in UP.
Why?
Oh,
There is an
yeah, I guess.
alternative.
No, they arrest you if you search for porn.
Oh yeah,
Only 7,
correct. We
Only
discussed this
7, 8 people out
couple-
of 25 million, yaar. It's not that much. Huh.
That's the only people watching it. Only 700 people watch it in all of UP. Imagine
You
that.
think so? That's why Bill Clinton came
Yeah,
here
yeah,
and
of
tried
course.
to talk to the politicians and ask them. Every time he asked them about sex, they would not talk. And he said, I don't understand this culture. Everybody is ashamed to talk about sex, but they're 1 billion plus, so somebody's having sex. Makes a lot of sense.
All right. Next one comes in from Sachin Jangam. This is not exactly related to what we were talking about previously. Yeah, he says John Cena recently had to backtrack his Taiwan is a country comment while he was promoting Fast and Furious 9. China truly rules the world.
He
So they have,
backtracked.
Yeah,
I guess
he
that's what this-
apologized
that's what
for.
he
He
said.
he said, "I'm very, very sorry. I called Taiwan a country."
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
But
that sucks for
remember,
Taiwan.
We have Kashmir, we have Tibet, Taiwan. I mean, all these things are a little controversial. It's a tough one to be in. As a neutral who's
Yeah.
trying to promote something, but in the end, market dictates. 1.6 billion Chinese versus Taiwan population is much smaller. So once again, business ka wo jo line hai, business and career. John Cena realized what is the right path to take. What can we say? What would you have done, Saloni?
I wouldn't have said anything at all in the first place.
Or you should have said
I-
Taiwan is a country with a question mark. That way, it's like a joke and you can get out of it. Taiwan is a country.
Yeah, so when I was in college, I studied political science and we learned about China and everything. कैसे वहाँ पे election वगैरह का क्या process and what's मतलब कैसे क्या होता है?
Election या selection?
हाँ मतलब वही so
Jinping select करते हैं ना.
select भी कहाँ ही
you-
करते हैं? Select भी
You is
कहाँ
a
ही
common
होता है?
name. हाँ.
तो बट हाँ वो एक प्रोसेस तो बताना ही होता है ना कि बेटा होता तो ऐसे है वो नहीं करते फॉलो तो वो अलग बात है सो इवन वी लर्न कि ताइवान इज नॉट अ कंट्री और वो वही सब है हमारी बुक्स में भी यही लिखा था सो क्या ही
The
कर सकते
country with the best performance in anti-COVID, reversing COVID.
Hmm.
They were the fastest to remove COVID in the first period last year, April, May. So how sad. And now you're saying not a country.
fastest to get COVID also
But that's because they're nearby to the mainland, bhai.
yeah
Saloni.
वही तो
Geography भी एक चीज है. Please understand. Okay. Do you have
Alright.
time for one quick one? Yeah, let's do one
Yeah, so
last.
sure, yeah, let's do one more. One more comes in from Harvesh Kasar. He says, "Hello, Cyrus, Antriksh, and Saloni. Have you ever mimicked your friends or family members in front of them, and what has been their
She said
reaction
that.
to it?"
She said that in the beginning.
yeah so
कोई
negative- कभी-कभी negative-
I can add one thing in that I mean I used to mimic my relatives a lot बट वो सब घर पर ही करती थी मैं कभी उनके सामने नहीं किया था so I was this silent shy kid in front of them मैं उनके घर पे जाती थी नानी के घर पर so I used to sit in a corner and then because I was observing everyone तो इसलिए मैं ज्यादा बोलती नहीं थी और मैं बड़ों के बीच में क्या ही बोलूंगी they used to talk about कि हाँ ठीक है उसके घर में शादी थी ये था वो था तो वो चीजें मुझे वैसे भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं करती थी तो आई यूज्ड टू सिट इन अ कॉर्नर ऑब्जर्व ऑल ऑफ देम एंड देन मेरी दादी नहीं जाती थी कहीं पर ज्यादा तो मैं घर पर आके दादी को मिमिक करके सुनाती थी आज नानी ने ऐसे बोला मामा ने ऐसे बोला सो वंस माय मदर स्पिल्ड आउट एवरीथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम मेरे सभी मतलब नानी के घर पे जाके बता दिया कि सलोनी तो सबकी मिमिक्री करती है उसके बाद सब ऐसे थे कि अभी करके दिखाओ हमारी मिमिक्री हमारे सामने फिर मैंने की उनको पसंद भी आया सब लोग बहुत हंसे और उसके बाद सब ऐसा हो गया अब तो हम सलोनी के सामने कुछ भी नहीं बोलेंगे ये घर पे जाके मिमिक्री करेगी तो इट वाज इन वो मेरे फेवर में ही हो गया कि दे ऑल गॉट रियली स्कैर्ड ऑफ मी और उसके बाद ये था कि हाँ ठीक है अब तो हम इसके सामने चुप ही रहेंगे
Yeah, but I think she doesn't go for a very bad. She could make it very bad and mean, and she doesn't do that. So they were happy
Yeah.
about it.
Yeah.
Now, can you mimic Silvery?
Antariksh
Antariksh?
Yeah, you don't have to.
Yeah.
It's fine.
what I have listened for like 1 hour, he's almost like no, I don't ask. Yeah, no, I'm cool. So he's just very.
Yeah. She's got your head movement, huh? She nailed your head movement,
No,
beta.
Yeah, correct.
No,
Yeah.
That
I'm
little
fine.
chin movement and all, yeah.
Nothing wrong with me. I'm just a little low. I don't know. So he's just same pace. Happy also at this point and sad also.
Okay, cool. Cyrus, I can do.
He comes alive in the night.
I can do a
yeah,
little bit of
Saloni.
Naveen. I can mimic
Yeah,
Naveen
do
a little bit.
Naveen.
Uh,
Naveen is
I
also
can say
Saloni.
that-
Naveen Narona is a comedian who's
Naveen
quite active
Richard?
on the internet. Naveen Narona. Narona, right?
No, yeah.
You're doing Naveen Narona. Yeah, okay.
No, yeah. So I
Do,
can do Yaya, Cyrus, Yaya. I can do that.
Yeah.
I've actually done it in front of him, and he loves it. Like, I know
And,
he's like
I haven't seen any of his work, but I can mimic him. So Yaya, Cyrus, Yaya.
We've made
spot on,
Naveen more
yeah.
famous than Kangana. Naveen
Yes.
is more
Yeah,
famous than
yeah.
Kangana right now. Yeah. Okay, shall we end it,
yep.
guys? I think
Yep, sure,
enough
let's end it,
Saloni has suffered. We should not make her suffer more.
No, I really enjoyed it. And I think Antariksh has suffered, and I
No,
can
not at all.
honestly
I
see on his
was-
face.
Combi
It's
phlegm.
not true.
Twice a day, after 8-hour gap,
Okay.
you'll be okay.
Okay,
Takes all the pain away.
Done. Sorted. Yeah, cool.
Message to L'Oreal. Saloni is ready for endorsements. Reach out to her. We will discuss.
Message Netflix also.
No, Netflix तो हो जाएगा. अभी तो phone किया मैंने रविशंकर प्रसाद को. I've gone direct to the top. Forget Netflix. I've reached the boss. Everything will happen. Don't worry. Okay, bye. Any last message to Kangana about how you basically don't want to insult her? It's just fun.
Yeah, Kangna, I really love your acting, and please don't call me shit again.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, bye guys. Saloni, really, you were fantastic. Really enjoyed chatting
Thank
with
you
you.
so
Thanks,
much.
I wish we could pay you money. You deserve to be paid lots for this kind of work, but unfortunately, we are living in hard times, and the government is saying that we can't work. So as and when we start working, we will definitely. Right?
No
Behind
problem.
me,
I really enjoyed it. I mean, I wanted this. I mean, इतने दिनों से घर पर है. So I had a good laugh, and it's all fun.
So nice. Thank you.
wow. Okay, bye guys.
Antariksh is so sweet. It's so fun.
Yeah, he has no emotion. Don't worry, Saloni. उसका कुछ feelings नहीं है. This is how he is. But it all changes. 6 बजे शाम को 6 बजे के बाद 6 p.m. के बाद सब कुछ.
No,
the-
looking at Antariksh
my
right now,
daughter.
I really want to say take care, Antariksh. I don't know why, but I really want to say.
I think the motherly Saloni's motherly feelings are coming out. Looking at you, she's thinking, "Itna udas and like gira wala insan." She's looking at thinking,
It looks like
"I have to
you're
help him."
overburdening him with work.
No, he's a very sharp cookie. I'm not worried about him. Don't worry. He's got many resources which he will indulge in later. He's a very bad man. Very bad man. Saloni. Very, very bad man. Chalo, bye guys.
Okay, bye.
Thank you so much.
Dog time.
Thank you.
Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps. Please, we beg you, we need you. Send us your questions on Twitter on Cyrus Says In. Or you can email us, even if you're not female, on whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
Come learn and experience the ABCDs of being queer with me, Shanetro,
And me, Farhad.
on our show Gay BCD.
The two of us take you through our stories and experiences of being gay men in the city of Mumbai and have candid
And sometimes downright scandalous.
conversations about sexuality, gay culture, and everything in between.
Catch new episodes of Gay BCD every Tuesday on the IVM Podcast website, app, or wherever you get all your podcasts from.
If you love cricket, listen up. The Edges and Sledges Cricket Podcast is here for you. Hosted by DJ, Varun, and me, Ashwin, we bring a fun, fresh fan's point of view to talking all things cricket. Sometimes it's just the three of us, sometimes we have guests, including current and former international cricketers. For new episodes every week, check out the Edges and Sledges Cricket Podcast on the IVM app, website, or wherever you get your podcasts.